Most people think scaling a dropshipping business means adding more random products into one giant store. But the smarter move is building multiple niche stores where each store speaks to a different audience. So instead of one store selling everything, you could have one store for fitness products, one for self-care products, and one for office productivity tools. That way, each store feels more focused and easier to market. Today, I'm going to show you how Doba and Doba Pilot can help you find products for multiple niche stores without buying inventory upfront or searching for suppliers one by one. Doba Pilot can also help the process by using AI to assist with product sourcing, listing setup, pricing rules, and store workflows. But first, my name is Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get paid. One way to scale a dropshipping business is by building more than one niche store. Instead of putting every product into the same shop, you can separate your products by audience. For example, I could create a fitness store called Inside Your Walk, a self-care store called Inside Your Happiness, and a productivity store called Inside Your Hustle. Each store would have its own products, its own branding, and its own type of customer. This is similar to what some successful dropshippers have done. Harry Coleman scaled by testing different stores and products, and Andreas and Alexander found success by focusing on a strong niche instead of trying to sell everything to everyone. Now let's look at how this can work with Doba. All right, so we're on the homepage of Doba. I'm so excited. I'm looking at all the beautiful products, and what do I see? Ready to start dropshipping? Watch this first. Okay, I'm getting too excited. All right, let me not. Also, Doba has Doba Pilot, and it can help you find products if you don't know what to look for. It guides you all the way, but I do know. So let me show you my Doba, okay? And I'm going to show you right now how to connect. If you need help, go to Doba Pilot. It will show you all the different products, all the trending products. But right now I'm connecting. You can connect with Shopify, eBay, TikTok Shop, Walmart, Wix, Temu, Amazon. Come on, you can connect with almost everything. I'm connecting with my Wix store. Look at that. You press connect. Here's the store name, Inside Your Hustle. Then you press that green button, connect. It is so simple, so easy to do. It is great for a beginner. All right, so now I press connect and look, updating Doba. Look at all the management products, everything, read orders, everything. It's connected successfully. Now I am ready to sell products from Doba. I am so excited and I'm happy because they always have new products. Do you know they have over 70,000 products? Look at all the buttons, the rules, and everything was set just perfectly. Check this out on Doba. This is for my Inside Hustle store, so I need like products for an office. Multi-cable organizer, 5-piece set for $6.32. All right, look how much it is on Amazon. Take a good look. $12.99. So you see how much you can sell it for, right? Same exact set. It's a charger organizer, a 5-piece set. And it's great for your desk. If you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, you need get those wires in order, right? So look at this. $6.32. I can put this right in my store because my store is connected right now with Doba. So I go to continue. And look, it gives me look how much is in stock. It tells me about the free shipping in the US. It gives me all those details. Okay, now I'm going to go to the product name, product description, and I'm going to use AI Optimizer because I'm going to optimize my description. I want it to really be good because I want to sell this. Okay, so now here's my 5-piece multi-cable organizer. It's going to optimize my title and my description. Okay. And if you don't like it, you can generate another one. All right. That's what I like. I'm like, okay, I don't know. Generate again. So simple. Okay. So once I apply that selection, I already optimized my description and my title because I want people to really want to purchase it. I want them to be able to find it. And I want the best chance I can to sell this. I go to variants and look, they come in more than one color. It's just fabulous. And I'm putting the price in. Look at the price. I'm competing now with Amazon. Look, I make a little profit. I have free shipping costs. This is so wonderful. Now you're going to see it in my store. Look at that. That looks slick. I love it with the black vest and the laptop. I love it. Look at the description, the features, the details, all in there. And this is in my store. Okay, I have some print on demand and I have office supplies. Thanks to Doba. Now check this out. This is a wireless mini keyboard. All right, it even has a touchpad mouse on it. You can write in your hand. Bah, 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 bah. It's so wonderful. It's $17.89. Remember that price, $17.89. Look how much they're selling it for here. Look at this, $31.19. $31 at Newegg. So you know I'm gonna make a profit, right? If I'm paying for 17, they selling it for 31, I got to make a profit. And I don't have to go overboard. Here's another product right here. Projector stand. And I'm telling you, this is great. If you're in the office, you want to type on your laptop. It don't have to be for projector. Do $28. Look at this. You can move it. It's adjustable. And you even have a phone holder. $37. $37 at Amazon. Exact same projector stand. Look at this. And I'm selling it for $33. Okay, look at it in my store. I even have PayPal, by the way. You can do payments. All right, look how beautiful. And I have all these different pictures of the projector stand or laptop stand. And it also, it has a little shelf you can put your phone on it. And it's adjustable in case you want to stand up and work. A lot of people are working at home and they're standing up and they want to type, standing. I love it. And it's going to sell. And this is how you do it. All right, let me tell you, that Doba palette, it really, really works, okay? I used Doba palette to find me, I wanted what was hot, trending for the moment, what would sell in my store. And it found, I'm telling you, I tell everybody this, I'm very passionate about Doba products. I found this spray that helped you sleep because I have a problem sleeping. I can't always go to sleep. It's like a lavender spray and you spray it around your room and it helps you to relax and unwind. And it really, really works. And I cannot keep it in my store because I keep selling out. It's a spray and I bought it from Doba. And I'm telling you, I sell it now and everybody's telling me they feel more relaxed. They're sleeping. I tried it. I actually go to sleep a little earlier now. Thanks to this, it's calming. It's very relaxing. And I found that product with Doba Pilot. It found it for me. So I'm telling you, check out Doba Pilot because it can find you that winning product, that trendy winning product. And it found it for me. And I cannot keep that spray. It's always selling. So now let's keep going. I want to show you this 66-gallon outdoor ice plunge tub with lid at home. $39.99 with Doba. Look at this. I would love to try that actually after a nice workout, right? Look at this. Wow. $39.99. Okay. Look how much they're selling it for at Gamma Beauty. $81.99. Talking about 20% off because it's a regular $102. And it's the same pictures, everything. It's the same product. Great insulation effect. Look at this. Same product. Let me give you something else. Doba is selling this adorable t-shirt. $16.31. Self-care isn't selfish. I love this saying. I love it to wear it. It has different colors, different variants, different sizes. Look at this. Small, medium, large. Even has extra large, 3XL. Look how much they're selling for on eBay. $47.75. Same exact shirt. You can make a profit. Same shirt. I can't believe it. Look at this. And they look at the pictures. They same pictures. Everything. They dressed it up with the sneakers. $47.75. Check out this product here. $3.79. This really works. I actually use this on my hair right here all the time. $3.79. Doba. You know you can make a profit off of this, okay? It's right in the US. Look at this. They have it in stock. $3.79. Look how much they're selling this hair care scalp massager for. $12. $12. You know you can make a profit. Even if you only sell it for $10, you made a profit. Self-care is not an escape. It is your return. Here it is in the store for you. All my products right here in the store. This is how it can look for you. Look how beautiful it looks. Look how beautiful it looks. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Find these products on Doba and make yourself an online shop immediately. The beautiful pictures, everything I'm telling you is sell. And if you really want to sell, make a video. Make a short little video, 30 seconds showing the product. And that helps too, because I do that on my store. Make a little video and it will sell out. So as you can see, we have different niches, right? I'm not going to sell fitness equipment in my office store. I'm not going to sell self-care in my office store. So I have different niches, and there's nothing wrong with having more than one online store. That way you can specialize in certain products, and people know when they go into your store what they're going to find, because they know, okay, this is what she's all about. This is what they specialize in. And that's important. So you become like an expert in that particular field. So you know, I'm not going to sell a vase in my fitness store. You see? So you have your specialty, you have your products, all right? So now let's go into this. This is my fitness store now. Let's check it out, okay? Look at this. You got the dip bar, it's heavy duty, okay? You can do your dips, your lunges, everything in here. Right at home, okay? You seen the price? All right, $39.99. Now that's a good price. Look how much they selling it for on Amazon. Same dip bar, heavy duty steel dip station, $69.99. So you can make a profit. You can sell it for $65 and still make a profit. So that's what I'm trying to show you. I'm very passionate about these Doba products because I've tested a lot of them. I know they work and I know they're a great price. Okay, $13.05 for a jump rope. One of those digital jump ropes tell you the calorie count and everything on it. It really, really works, because if you're trying to get in shape, this is how you do it. $64.95. And I'm not playing. That's real. This is eBay selling it for $64.95. Can you believe this? Okay. I'm telling you, you can make a profit. Here we go. For push-ups, right? The 28-in-1 push-up rack board, $14.74. It really works. $14.74. And it really helps so you can adjust it. You work in different parts of the muscles. It even shows you what muscles you are working on your upper body just by moving the hands in and moving the hands out. Look at that. $80. $80 for the same push-up rack. It's on the TikTok shop for $80. Tell me you cannot make a profit by buying with Doba. And you know it's selling. Now, this is how we look in your store. Look at this. You got your dip bar. You got your Fit Flex for your push-ups. And you have your smart rope. It's telling you calorie count and everything. Look at this in the store, a fitness store, Fit Flex Pro. I love it. Look at this. You can have a whole bundle package. Sell all three, $133. That price is still cheaper than just buying one from eBay. I'm giving you all three. And look, you even have a great customer review. As a physical therapist, push-up hand alignment is a major focus of mine. The color channels on the Kinetic 28-in-1 system take the load off the wrist joints and direct it precisely to the targeted muscle groups. This is a must-have for the home training. It really targets different muscles. It's a must-have, and this is coming from a doctor of physical therapy. Okay? This is an expert giving it 5 stars. So I'm trying to tell you, you can have 3 different stores. And there's nothing wrong with having different niches. And because now you are an expert in that niche. Your products, you don't have to mix and match. Oh, can I fit this in my product? Should I have a microphone in my fitness store? Come on. Let's do this right. And let's do this with Doba. Scaling beyond one store can help because you're not dependent on one audience for all of your sales. If one niche slows down, another niche may be doing well. A fitness store attracts one type of customer, a self-care store attracts another, and a productivity store attracts a whole different group of buyers. So instead of one store trying to do everything, each store has a clearer audience and more room to grow. But scaling is not just about testing different niches. It is also about testing where to sell. You might test products on your Shopify store, TikTok shop, eBay, Amazon, Temu, or other marketplaces to see where they perform best. Some products may work better on TikTok because they are easy to demonstrate in short videos, while other products may work better on Amazon because people are already searching for them. The goal is to test both the niche and the platform and then double down on what gets results. Doba makes this easier because you can search, compare, and add products across different niches all from one platform. So whether you're building a fitness store, a self-care store, or a productivity store, you don't have to buy inventory upfront or search for suppliers one by one. Check out Doba, yes, using my link in the description down below and see what products you can find for your own niche store. I know you can do this. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below. If you're going to build 3 niche stores, what niche stores would you choose? And also, let me know if you're going to try making money with Doba. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye. Watch me move, side hustle queen with the